Hey guys, today I'm doing an updated Robinhood video for anyone that is new to the Robinhood app. This video will walk you through how the app works and its features. So once you download the app and go through the setup process, this is what you will see. The first number is your account value, and you might not have a number here quite yet if you haven't purchased any stock. The smaller numbers below are the return for today on your entire portfolio and after hours. And then to see exactly what your portfolio has done throughout the whole day, you can use your finger and drag it across this line to see the numbers in times. And also you can hit the 1 week view, 1 month, 3 month, 1 year, and the all-time view of your portfolio. So now we'll hit the profile icon and show you this menu. You can also get to this by sliding your finger over from the left edge. Up here is your portfolio value, which is your buying power plus your stocks. Buying power is the cash that you have in the app to purchase stocks, or you can deposit that money back into your bank account. Robinhood Gold, you can click on that if you want to upgrade your account. Free stocks, this is the Robinhood invite promotion. You can sign people up and you'll each get a free share of stock. If you click in past invites, you can see the ones that are still pending and all of the people that have joined Robinhood using my link. So let's go back a few pages and go to the account page, which will have all of your tax documents and account statements and a few other things. So now I'm going to go to banking, and this is where you can transfer money to Robinhood, transfer money back to your bank, make automatic deposits, link your bank account, and transfer stocks from other brokerages. Then we'll go to history, which is a good tab to view all of your transactions that have happened on your account. If you go to filter, this allows you to view more specific transactions, and you can select multiple filters depending on what you want to view. But we're just going to do dividends for now, and it will always filter them from newest to oldest. Now I'll go into the settings tab, and this is where you can set your security settings, notifications, and different things like that. Then they have a help page, which has really been useful if you have any questions. And if you want to search for a stock, you can do this by hitting the search icon in the top right corner. And let's just type in Apple and add it to your watch list. And you'll just hit the plus button, or you can click on the actual stock and hit the watch button and add it that way. So you can also add cryptocurrencies to Robinhood now and search for them the same way. Next, these are where the articles will show up every day. And to skip through them, you can click on the circle. You can also swipe through them like this, and then if you want to view them, you can tap on the article headline. Right below this is where your cryptocurrencies will be. These are the ones on my watch list because it's not totally available for me yet. But if you hit the show all button, you can easily search all of the cryptos that Robinhood offers. If you click on the last price display, you can change it to percent change, equity, today's return, and total return. And if you click on any cryptocurrency, you can view it and see the live view up to 5 years previous on the graph. So let's go to the stocks now, and I'm going to change the view to last price because that's what I prefer. These are where your stocks will be once you buy them, and your stock watch list will be below that. As you can see, I have a lot of stocks in my portfolio. And if you want to buy or sell stocks from this page, you can slide the stock to the left and just tap it to go back. So let's go into a stock and show you what it looks like. Each stock also has a performance graph and shows you how it's been doing from a 1-day view to a 5-year view. There's also a buy sell option here, and I'll go to the buy button and type 5 shares, and it shows the estimated cost for you. You can also set the order type up here and do a market, limit, stop loss, or stop limit order. Let's go back and scroll down. The first part shows your position in the company, the number of shares you have, equity value, average price of the stocks I purchased, portfolio diversity, today's return, and total return. Down here are some of the related articles to this stock. Below that are the company stats and earnings per quarter. And the last part tells you about the company and your history. So if we hit the show more, you can see all of your history. But if you hit filter, you can select exactly what you want to see. For example, just the dividends. And I forgot one more thing. If you tap and hold a stock or cryptocurrency, you can move it up or down in your list. and then let go and it will stay there. This is so you can move things in the order that you would like to see them. I really hope you guys found this video helpful. If you guys enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.